Hello everyone, how to create share links to OneDrive files. So let's start. To first open your OneDrive and just keep cursor on the file. So to share the file, so click on this three dot and here the second option share. And the second way you can see the one option also showing share with this item with the other people. So you can click on this second option also and wait for the few seconds and here the one dialog box is open to share this most profitable counts profile. So you can add the names or group or emails address to share the person. So I just add here email address. Then here you can see the right hand side, click on this drop down arrow to edit. So if you want to give the permission to edit, just click on the can edit. And if you want to give permission only view, then you can select the can view. Okay, these are the two options. So I select here the first one, can edit. And the top side, right hand side, you can see the setting icon. Just click on it. And the link works for anyone, share with anyone, doesn't require sign in. Okay, only people with the existing access. So you can choose the option. Okay, and people you choose the third option. These are the three option. So I select the second one, only people with the existing access. So if you select the first one, any one, then in second criteria, in more setting, you can give the access here. Just click on this drop down arrow and can edit and can view. So here you can set the expired date also. Just click on it and select the date. So I select here the 25 and you can set the password also. Okay. So I just set the password here. Okay. And after that, I click on the apply and it's done. Okay. No thanks. Then here you can add the message and bottom side you can just copy the link and share to the any person and you can add here email address and you can just send the link of your file or direct people's only. Okay. So to copy link, just click on the copy link and it's done, link copied and you can share this link to any other person. Link share with the here you can see the person email address here pop up. Anyone with the link can edit. Okay. After that, I close this. And the second way, you just open your file. I just open your file, double click on it. New tab here open. Right hand side, you can see the share option. Just click on this drop down arrow. And here you just copy this link and you can easily share this file link to any other person. Okay, if you want to do any setting, just click on the settings, the gear icon. The same option here also available. Okay, the more setting also same option you are showing. After that, click on the apply and then you can share the link to any other person. Okay, I just close this and that's it. This is a way you can create share links to OneDrive files. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.